Sometimes if you're formatting a series, or if you like how another book that you made was set up, then it can save you time to have some preset options that will make your life a little easier. One option you have is in the Styles menu, you can have a saved style and use this for a series. Just come to the drop down and choose Apply to Original Style. And this will keep any of your heading backgrounds or your custom ornaments, but it doesn't carry over any trim size or margin settings or anything like that. So instead, some people will just duplicate their entire book and then just swap out the content to format their series. So let's walk through that process. In the book, that is your template. Now, you don't want to edit this book. We need to come to File, and we need to choose Duplicate. This is going to make a completely separate book file from the first one, which is what we want. So I'm going to save and close this one so there's no confusion. And you'll know this has worked because there will be the word copy in the file name. Just click up there to update the file name and hit the Return or Enter key on your keyboard to save that. And now I have a file that I can completely edit and strip down to pull in the new content. Once I have the duplicated file, I like to just start at the top of the Navigator and work my way down. When I come to the title info, I can change the book title to the new one. In this one, I can keep the author the same. And all this information is fine. But when I come to ebook cover, I like to go ahead and remove this even if I don't have the replacement ready yet. So on a Mac keyboard, you can hold the Option key and that will turn the plus to an X, at which point you can just click this and it will remove it. You can right click and remove or replace, or just click straight through if you have the replacement all ready to go. If you changed your custom alt text down below, make sure you adjust that for the new cover. And now let's keep moving down the Navigator content. From here, we have to decide which items you're keeping. I added these 2 items as extra images, so I'll want to remove those, but keep the default title page. This one automatically updates based on what I entered in the metadata section that is at the top here. So I'm going to keep the default title page, my copyright, and my content elements. I like that holding the Shift key lets me select multiple ones, and I can either right click and choose Remove, or I can select multiple items, come to the Navigator gear menu and choose Remove. To add new content, you can come in the menu bar to File, and from here you would choose Reimport Word File, but you would select Choose Other File, or else it's going to pull in the same Word file that it used the first time. If you re-import the Word file that way, it will put all of the new chapters at the end of whatever content you have. So if you want to insert things in with a little more control, you can come to the Finder menu, locate your DOCX file, and then just drag it in, and you can place it between any of the other items where you want this to be. You'll probably still have some file cleanup, and don't forget to edit the items that you didn't delete in the first place. But this is my favorite way to format a series because it's great for consistency and just having everything on the back end all set up already. This lesson is included in my video course, the Complete Vellum Workshop, so come check this out. I love helping both Mac and PC users work through using Vellum for their projects because Vellum is a formatting program in a class all its own. I hope you're well and you can absolutely do this.